Good afternoon, this is Giuseppe Basile. I'm the analyst essential. You can find at the blog FibonacciStalking.com. I also post regularly on Twitter using the @FibStalker nickname. Good afternoon. Today is Thursday, January the 10th, 2013, and it's 10 to 5 p.m. Italian time. I want to remind you that Italian time zone is GMT +1. This is a daily review for the EuroFX currency future contract 6E traded on the CME, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. And what you see on the screen is the daily chart of the EuroFX continuous contract aligned to the March 13 expiration. Now, for those who follow me know that we were able to identify a level of support in the last few weeks and months, and I have in my weekly review I told you that this rally we had out of the July lows broke the sequence of measured move low down on the weekly chart, and we started a move higher. In September then we started a consolidation, but we knew that this was just move down into the next level of support, and we were able to identify the next level of support in this 126.80, which was traced by using an anchor from this level, the 121.60, and that's not a random anchor, but it lines up with the 50% level of support on the weekly chart. Now, we said in the past that this level of support has a target in the 134.35.40 area here, and as I'll show you in a minute, in the last midweek update I published on this January the 2nd, I've indicated a couple of level of support. The first level of support was traced from this anchor here, 128.90 area, and as we can see, price came below the 130.55 level. This was a threshold that I suggested you to watch in order to understand whether this 131.10 area would act as a support. This didn't happen, clearly, as we can see from the chart. What happened is that we held on the other side. The next level of area of support, it was in the 130 area, and as we can see in the last week we had confirmation of this area acting as a support, and I wanted to wait the ECB rate decision and ECB meeting today in order to understand whether we would confirm this support, and that's what we had here. And not only we confirmed support, but we also confirmed the target of this level of support, and this happened because we went above 132 area. Now, as we can see, price has two targets above, 134.35 and 134.70 area. So we are going to target the first level, 134.30, and this should be a safe area where to get out profits. Now I want to show you very quickly what I have sent to my subscriber on January the 2nd, 2013. This was the first midweek update of the year 2013, and this is the trading plan that I suggested for the euro on the January the 2nd. As you can see, I had the two levels here, the levels that I mentioned before, 131.10 area, and that was the first scenario, a bounce there and then a continuation higher into the 134.40 area. And the second level I've indicated, it was scenario 2. It was a 130 area, and actually on the chart you have 130.03 and the low was on 130.05, so we only 2 pips of front run. And so the second scenario is the scenario that played out, and at the moment we are into this move higher, and I believe we can get to 134.40 by the end of next week. So I hope this update is useful. to you. If you want to receive my midweek updates and my weekly newsletter, just subscribe. Go on my website and subscribe on FibonacciStalking.com. On the left side you find a picture, an icon. You can click there and subscribe for free. I'll be happy to send you my updates. Thank you very much for your attention. I wish you a very good evening and a great trading day tomorrow. I'll resume my reviews, daily reviews, and tonight I'm going to send a midweek update, which I didn't send yesterday. So hold on, be patient, and you'll get the information with the new trading plans for the EuroFX currency future contract and the S&P 500 E-mini. Plus my review of the euro dollar and the euro dollar, the dollar index, and the SP 500. Thank you very much for your attention, and bye bye.